Before every monsoon, I get several contracts for repairs in buildings that suffer from internal dampness, especially through rain-facing walls.
I can understand.
I do the normal crack repairs and painting, but the problem reappears, giving damp patches inside the homes, with peeling paint and musty smell. The building society feels that I have done a bad job. I've even tried some expensive exterior paints with no success. Recently, I lost 2 big contracts because of bad publicity from my dissatisfied customers.
What a pity.
Can you suggest some solution to this problem?
Well, seepage through rain-facing walls is a common problem. But for this, we have an excellent solution. Dr. Fixit Raincoat.
How is Raincoat different from other exterior paints?
Well, first of all, you must understand that Raincoat is not a paint. It's a waterproof coating.
And what is the difference between a paint and a waterproof coating?
Well, there are several differences. Let me show you. Exterior paints are not thick enough to withstand continuous rain lashing, environmental attack, and crack movement over several years. This is why exterior paints offer limited protection. For exterior walls, you need a heavy-duty coating that offers waterproofing ability, total long-term protection against movement of cracks in plaster, and durability for at least 5 to 7 years. Dr. Fixit Raincoat is a decorative coating which has all these qualities. Raincoat gives a waterproof coating of 110 microns, which is 2 times thicker than even the best exterior paints. Therefore, it's more durable and has higher hiding ability. It covers hairline cracks in the plaster or concrete, ensuring better waterproofing. We can see the flexibility of Raincoat quite clearly in this cured membrane of Dr. Fixit Raincoat. This film of Raincoat is being tested for its tensile properties. As we can see, Raincoat can stretch to more than twice its length. Therefore, Raincoat can easily accommodate the movement in hairline cracks. Here are 2 strainers. The orange one has been coated with a leading brand of exterior paint using its recommended specifications. The yellow strainer has been coated with Dr. Fixit Raincoat. We will now pour water into these. As you can see, the strainer coated with the leading brand of exterior paints starts leaking almost immediately. However, the strainer coated with Dr. Fixit Raincoat prevents the water from going through. Even after 24 hours, Raincoat is still preventing any water from coming through. If Raincoat can waterproof a strainer so much better than a leading exterior paint, you can imagine how effectively it will waterproof your exterior walls. Therefore, Dr. Fixit Raincoat is the product of choice for waterproofing of exterior walls, such as boxes in elevations, architectural elevations, parapet walls, etc.
Tell me, how long does it last?
Well, it has a service life of 5 to 7 years if applied properly. Raincoat has several other benefits also. It has excellent UV resistance, which will allow it to retain its properties over its life. It is resistant to algae and fungus, therefore your structures look beautiful for a longer time. Raincoat is a breathable coating, allowing entrapped moisture to escape. Therefore, it avoids formation of bubbles and peeling off. Raincoat is non-toxic and eco-friendly. Raincoat undergoes several stringent tests, such as tests for accelerated weathering and wet scrub resistance, to ensure its performance over a long period of time.
Is Raincoat available in a large range of colors?
Yes, Dr. Fixit Raincoat can be tinted in the color of your choice.
Raincoat seems to be quite impressive. Is it difficult to apply?
Not at all. Let's see how to apply Dr. Fix-It Raincoat on walls. The surface must be thoroughly cleaned. All surface cracks up to 5 mm width should be filled up with Dr. Fix-It Crack X. Cracks more than 5 mm wide and all joints between concrete and masonry and around pipes should be filled up with Dr. Fix-It Pedicrete URP or MPB modified mortar. Gaps between the walls and windows should be sealed with a sealant. After all the cracks are repaired and have dried, the walls should be pre-wetted with water. Wait till the surface attains a saturated surface dry state. The surface should now be primed with Dr. Fix-It Prime Seal, diluted with water in the ratio of 2:1 by volume. Brush apply 1 coat of the diluted Prime Seal primer. Allow Prime Seal to dry for at least 2 to 3 hours. Before using Dr. Fix-It Raincoat, stir the contents of the pack well. Raincoat is a ready-to-use liquid. Do not dilute it with water. Maintain its purity for its full performance. Apply the first coat of Dr. Fix-It Raincoat using a brush or a roller. Ensure that the parapet is covered onto the terrace side as well, right down to the vata. Allow this coat to dry for at least 5 hours and apply a second coat. While for exterior walls, 2 coats of Dr. Fix-It Raincoat are enough. For chhajjas, parapet walls and heavily rain-lashed walls, apply an additional coat for extra care. A full cure of 7 days will deliver the complete benefits of Raincoat. To maximize the effectiveness of Dr. Fix-It Raincoat, you need to take a few simple precautions. Do not apply Raincoat on top of loose or bad plaster. The surface must be clean and primed before application. Allow Raincoat to dry completely by ensuring protection from direct rains. Also, do not apply in direct rain.
Can raincoat be applied over existing cement or acrylic paints?
Yes, with proper surface preparation.
Is primer required over existing paints?
Yes, over cementitious paints, Dr. Fix-It Prime Seal is a must. However, on sound acrylic paint surfaces, primer can be avoided.
Can I use any ordinary primer other than Prime Seal?
No, you must use Prime Seal only, because it has an excellent ability to seal the surface pores and provide excellent addition to Raincoat.
Can we overcoat raincoat with other paints or textured finishes?
Yes, we can.
You have said that raincoat should not be diluted. But when I use other exterior paints, I always dilute them.
Now tell me, would you add water to milk and dilute its benefits?
Of course not.
Then why dilute paint? Not only that, you have no control over how much water is added, which affects the quality of the work. And diluted exterior paints can only decorate, not protect.
Okay. So if I don't dilute the other paints, then they will be as good as raincoat?
See, the other paints cannot even be applied without adding water to them.
But without dilution, won't raincoat be difficult to apply?
Why don't we see what contractor Mishra has to say about this?
रेनकोट गाढ़ा है पर ब्रश करने में आसान है। इसकी पपड़ी काफ़ी मोटी होती है, जिसके कारण दीवार के जो छोटे-मोटे गड्ढे होते हैं उभर जाते हैं।
Then raincoat must be more expensive.
Well, if you add water to milk, it will be cheaper. You see, Milind, the initial cost of raincoat will be higher because it's not a paint. It's a coating. It protects your building structure and prevents damage to your interiors. With its many benefits, it gives real value for your money. Raincoat is the only exterior coating that does not require dilution. This ensures uniformity in maintaining the thickness of coating and better control its side. Always use Raincoat in its pure form without dilution for its full performance.
By using Raincoat, will the walls become waterproof?
Yes. If you first take care to repair all the cracks and loose plaster and restore the health of the walls and chhajjas, then with Raincoat you will get waterproof walls. But just make sure that you apply an extra coat on chhajjas, parapet walls and other projections where rainwater gets collected.
Well, all my doubts are fully answered. I will only use Raincoat from now on, so that I have fully satisfied customers.
Well, thank you Milind for your support. I'm confident that like Milind, you'll also find Dr. Fixit Raincoat is the product to ensure total protection of your external walls.